Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Now, just as the title says, I kinda lied when I said the Planet Ocean was the final purchase of 2020. I mean, I did purchase the GA2100, but that was just for the video, for the torture video and the mod that's coming up. But this, I always wanted to try this because I had the other version of that watch, and after wearing that I thought this has to be too big, but after wearing that version I thought, well, maybe I can pull this off. And there was an excellent opportunity and excellent price on my local Portal Satova forum, so I jumped at it and bought it because I also wanted to do a review of this. So let's open it and see for the first time, not just on my channel but for the first time for me, because I've never ever had the chance of seeing this watch in person. Ugh. Let's open the box and see what's what. So I will be doing a review of this as well as comparing it to another version of this. So stay tuned for that as well. Okay, so here it is, all packed and nice. Oh, let's pull this away. And here's the box. It has an outer sleeve. Box made in Japan, but I believe in this case even the watch is made in Japan. Okay, so let's open it and see what's what. Some of you are probably gonna guess what it is by now. Oh, upside down. Seiko instructions, guarantee. And it's been wrapped in this. And yes, it is another tuna. I had the 300 meter tuna, but this is the big one, the 1000 meter quartz tuna, the SBBN025. This is the updated version that has the modern monster styled hands that many people hated. Although Seiko updated this again, giving it the old styled hands, but also losing the Marine Master inscription and getting the Prospects inscription instead, which some people hate. Now this really looks epic. I've never handled this kind of a tuna in my hands. Like I said, I had the 300 meter one and I was kind of disappointed by that, but that wasn't really fair of me because that watch that I bought was used, and it was used and abused to such a degree that it was horrible. This is almost like brand new. It's really in great shape. And like I said, this is the SBBN025. Titanium, I mean DLC coated titanium, ceramic shroud. And look at this thing. Now I'm looking it through the camera, so I'm not really getting the idea of the size. But we'll put it on my wrist and see if it's too big. Let's try the bezel. Oh wow. It's very tight, but the clicks are very smooth. It's hard to explain. So the clicks themselves are not giving you a lot of resistance, but the bezel is giving the resistance, and clicks are there just being audible. Wow, I really like that. Very good. As you can see, the second hand is hitting the markers perfectly, which is something you expect from the 7C46, which is powering this thing. Wow. Let's try the loom, which is something that the tuna is known for, so let's just charge it shortly. Okay. Oh, this is nuclear already. I haven't even turned off the lamp and it's already, look at it. Let's wait for the camera to focus. Wow. This is really impressive. This is nuclear. Wow. Incredible. Okay, let's try to put it on my wrist. See if it's too big. I mean, this is about 49 point something, but since it's a lugless design, the actual diameter is also the maximum span of the watch, while the lug to lug is even shorter. So let's take off my GA2100 and we might as well put them side by side. Now the tuna is big, look at it, but if you look at the lug to lug, they look almost the same. Let's put it on my wrist and see how does this look and if I'm able to pull this off. Now the strap is probably going to be too long for me because all Seiko straps are. Oh. Okay, so here it is on my 6.7-inch wrist, and it doesn't overhang the wrist at all. It actually looks cool. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. Like I said, I always loved the tunas, and my dream is the golden tuna, which is something that Seiko re-released as the SBBN040. But I never considered getting the monoblock ones like this 1,000 meter one, because I always thought they're going to be too big for my wrist. So I went for the 300 meter one, although on that I didn't like the domed crystal and some other things. But once I got that watch and put it on my wrist, it looked so good and so small that I figured, well, I might as well upgrade to something bigger. But it was a lot of money to try something that I didn't know if it's gonna fit. But this, like I said, I got an excellent price for it, and I knew I can flip it without losing any money at that price. So I was like, let's do it. Let's do a video. Let's do a review. And my god, this looks really good. I didn't expect it to wear this small. Now remember, when you put your wrist like this, it's actually a lot narrower than when you leave it like this by the side of your body. At least that's how my wrist looks. So like this, it looks okay. Like this, it's gonna look even better. Wow, I love it. Now, another person that was bidding for this watch is actually also a fellow from the Portal Satova watch forum, and he has the SBBN something. It's also 1,000 meter quartz tuna, but it's the platinum with the, I mean, they call it the platinum tuna, with the cermix bezel. And he's actually shipping it in a couple of days to me so I can do a comparison video with this one. And that one is going to be for sale because he's going to be buying this from me, but I'm not sure if I'm going to sell it. Just, I don't know, if you're listening, don't be mad, but we'll figure something out. Wow, I didn't expect it to be this good. Wow. Okay, now as usual, I will be doing a review, or should I say a review and comparison with the cermix one. So stay tuned for that. And for now, I'm just going to be wearing this and enjoying it. Wow, I'm really impressed. I didn't expect it to wear this good on my small wrist. I just love the tuna. Wow. I'm sorry I'm kind of lost for words because I'm still like impressed how good this looks, and I love this vertical chaptering that gives depth to the dial, and I love this new style of hands. I mean new. Now they're old again, but this has to be one of the best designed handsets ever when it comes to legibility on a dive watch. And the lume is just amazing. Look at that sapphire crystal. Wow, I'm loving it. Anyways, I'm starting to talk gibberish because I really am smitten by this watch, so I will prepare for the review and comparison. And until then, thank you for watching. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe. And until the next video, bye.